Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block a user over on Telegram. So if you want to block a user on Telegram, all you need to do is head over to that account of the user you want to block. So for example, I want to block this guy because it's a scam basically. So let's say I want to block this guy, then I have two ways in order to do that. The first thing is just simply clicking right here, block user. However, if you don't have this block user button right here within the chat, then what you can simply do is click on that guy's name, just like this. And then right here it will also say block user, and this is where you can also block that user. Now let's say that you have blocked that user and you now want to see that you've blocked him. What you can do is head over into settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. What you then want to do is click on privacy and security, block users, and then right here it will say that you have blocked that person, and that's basically how you can block a user or someone over on Telegram. So yeah, that's basically it. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.